Hey guys, this is Blue One again. This time I am not making a plugin tutorial, so much as I'm just showing you me making a plugin, which I was going to make a series on me making plugins anyway. But this one I'm actually going to have timed, so this will be kind of fun. I'll have a Google timer going. I was going to see how fast I can make a basic working plugin for a hub game actually, which will be found featured in the sky here, right here at the hub. So I have, for those of you who are wondering about the sky, I have closed off the portals since there are certain plugins that worked with that are no longer updated or have not been experienced some lag there, have not been updated to 1.9 yet. So those are closed off. However, you can still, with this book right here, you can click and you'll find factions and skyblock, which are both fully updated to 1.9. And so yeah, those are a lot of fun. They're both open. The factions is a different factions than the 1.8 factions, entirely different world, different setup. It's a lot of fun, all kinds of stuff you can do there. The Skyblock also has a different setup, so it's interesting anyways. And the profile here is actually, instead of just being my skull, for anybody who logs on, it is their own personal skull. It is their skin on there because I actually wrote the plugin for that. I didn't really care for the plugin I had been using, so yeah, you know, if you can't find somebody else to do your job, you do it yourself, and it always turns out better. Alright, so we're gonna start making this plugin. I will not be debugging it in this video. Um, well, I may briefly, but I'm not gonna pause it and then debug it and then come back and start again. I want everything that I do to be on this tutorial. So I've opened up this Eclipse right here. I have not created the project yet. I want that to be part of the time as well. So I'll be creating the project, naming it. I haven't thought out any of it except for that the plugin will be a game of tag. So that's all I've got right now. It'll be a fairly simple plugin. I'm guessing it'll take me 15 minutes, maybe 20. I can't see it taking longer than a half an hour, so it'll be a lot of fun seeing how this rolls out. You'll be able to see all the code. You can use it yourself. It's all easy code. It's nothing that any bucket programmer couldn't do himself. It's just the idea mostly that's mine. So if it does turn out good enough, I may also put it on Bucket or Spigot. I may not. Uh, I don't know. We'll just see how it goes. So it'll be fun. I've got these tabs. You can just ignore those. I have been working on creating a voxel engine, which will be a really fun game once it actually finishes up. But since I don't know a whole lot about the OpenGL library, I'm using this video here to help me out with some stuff. MySQL is something that I thought about learning, so that might be some fun. For now, though, this timer right here, as soon as I push start, I've got to click on this. I've got to go right here and create a new project. I'm going to name it something, probably something like SkyeTag. I'm not sure. We'll go with SkyeTag probably. And then when I go to test it, after I think I'm done with everything, I'll test it right here in this hub. I'll reload it. You'll be able to see all of the background for the server, how I have the files set up. So this will be kind of a peek inside all of the real programming, all of the real work that goes into the hub. And everybody thinks of the hub as kind of a boring place where you just pass through it for an instant to get to everything else, but I'm hoping to make it something more, something where you can actually play games here and have fun with people, and everybody who comes through, you'll be able to see them say, hey, I know you, and it'll be kind of like a hangouts place. So that'll be fun. So let's get started. I've wasted, I don't know, a couple minutes now. I'm a little nervous. I don't know how long this will take. So let's see about this. I know I've made the backbone of a plugin before in under 1 minute, or under 2 minutes, sorry. I don't know if I can do that today because I haven't started any plugins for a while. I've just been working on the ones I already have. So, here goes nothing. We'll count 3, 2, 1, start. Alright, we're going to go over here. We're going to create a new package. We're going to have a project. Sorry, not package. Java project next. Oh, it's slow. I just restarted my computer. The whole sky was down for a little while. We're going to call this SkyeTag. Finish it. Setting build paths. Yes. Alright, now we're going to create a new package. Call it me.blue1.SkyeTag. create a new class. We're going to call this main. Once it pops up, there you go. Oh, I've got to have all of the build paths and everything. Okay, so we're going to have to go to build path, configure build path. I forgot about this part. Libraries, add external jars. Okay, we'll go to the desktop. We'll go to our tools folder. Talking out loud to help myself. I don't care if you find out about anything on my desktop. I'm not keeping any of it particularly private. Java.location HTTPS. I don't know if it's HTTPS. Let's just copy it over here. There we go. It is HTTPS. See, I haven't started them in a while, so I use this bigot, Java docs, apply, okay. Now we're going to have it extends, Java plugin, import, Control-Shift-O, and we're going to have override public void on enable. Oh, we got to import this too. Okay, send message. Alright, there's basic backbone. Don't know how long that took. Go away. Okay, we had a little pause there for a second, so get console center. Alright, we're good to go. Now we're going to create a new class, call this tag listener. Okay, we're going to have implement listener, of course, just like that. Control-Shift-O, got to get used to that. And at event handler, we're going to have public void on tag. Guess we'll have player interact event e. Oh, we're gonna have to import you as well. And player p equals e dot get player. Alright. Whoa. What was that? Okay. What is... I don't even know. Let's get rid of that. I don't remember. Okay, so... we'll just call this tagged. No, tagger. I don't know. Already screwing up. I don't care. Alright, we'll have a new item stack, I think. Oh, what am I doing? I'm gonna have to import that as well, I guess. Blaze rod. Deprecation warning. that an event? Okay, yeah, better. Get right plate. There we go. Got it. Good. Okay. I cast a player, of course, because it could have been any entity. So if he's holding a blaze rod, if... Oh, I'm gonna have to create a new... Okay. Okay. Public static list player um, taggees, people who get tagged, equals new array list player. There we go. Is that good? Import ult util rather ult. I was thinking awt. If taggees. Oh. Oh, come on. If it contains the tagged player, then... Alright, I'm going to create two more now. I'm going to call this tagger. Taggers. Tags. Tags. Then... There you go. And that's all. Taggies is just so that I won't explain it. Okay. Taggers. Tags. Okay, now... taggers should be... No, that way they can be more than one tagger. I'll do that. Okay. Tagger.send message. You have tagged... Should carry all the way through. And... like that. Tagger... You have tagged who? Tagged. You've been tagged by. Okay, so... Okay, now we're gonna have to create a command class. I love just calling him CMDs, it's so nice. Implements command, oh, that's capitalized. Executor. So we're gonna have to Control Shift O on that. We're gonna have to add unimplemented methods. Gonna get rid of this to do auto-generated stub. We're gonna have to get rid of that. Gonna have to return true. Oh, I forgot we're gonna have to make the plugin.yml too. That would have been a stupid mistake. I'll have to remember that. Sender commands. Command. I should just leave this blank since I never use command label anyway. And string args. For now, I'll just have one command, /tag, player p equals sender, cast player after we import it. if cd.get, wait, hold on. If sender is not, then just for now, we'll have a return false, I think. Wait, we could have another if statement. P okay, and alright. Okay, we're gonna create a new one. Okay. Oh. And okay. No, let's not do that. Let's put taggers. You know what? We'll just do it all in one fell swoop. Just like that. more event in here. Because people are bound to die sometimes. By whatever means. Okay. Oh, what? Player death event. They're not. Wow. Okay, that works. We'll just put all this in here. Yeah. Okay, that's that. This is this. Okay. These should really be backwards. I think we just put on right there. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's just move these. Like that. Better. Okay, okay, I think that will do. So, we have some stuff to do in the main class. We've got to get command, tag, set the executor to new CMDs. Good, good. Wait, is it new or is it just CMDs? Oh, it's new, okay. And get server dot plugin manager dot register events. I blanked there for a second. New tag listener. This. And we're gonna just brand new that. Leave event. This. Okay. That's done. Now I have to create a new file called plugin.yml. Okay. Main is me.blue1.SkyeTag.main. That's right. Name is SkyeTag. Version is 1.0, obviously. Author is blue1. Commands are tag. Yeah. Toggles the game of tag. Okay. 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 I think I got everything. I don't want to miss something. I think I probably already have. I feel like it. You've got the event handler, override, all this, return true, event handler, event handler. We've got him registering the events, got the command. Alright, let's go for it. Let's refresh, let's export, jar file, browse. We'll go directly to our desktop, down to my bungee cord to my hub to my plugins. We're gonna call it SkyeTag. Save, finish. Alright, let's try this out. Okay. Plugins. SkyeTag. Alright, let's try tag. You're in tag mode. Alrighty, so far this seems to work. I don't have the console, so I don't think I can check that. Tell you what, let's just stop and we'll get the console. Let's just have a look and make sure we have no errors whatsoever. We're gonna run it. A batch file here. I think we did it, guys. I think we just created a brand new plugin that fast. We just made a whole plugin. I kind of like this. I might do this more often. Let's join. Okay, let's try it again. Since we quit, we should now be able to do tag and re-enter. You're in tag mode. You're no longer in tag mode. Alright, so if we're in tag mode, let's check these. Look at that, there's no errors. Alright guys, I think we did it. Let's stop this timer. 22 minutes, 22 and a half. Okay. Wow. That was a lot of fun. Okay, I don't know, that might have kept you for too long, but that was great, guys. I really enjoyed that. It was something I needed to get done anyway. And it looks like we now have a game of tag. Let's see if I can get Immortal God's attention here real quick. Got my skyblock here. I was in creative. I was helping somebody, I don't remember who. Must have just not switched back. My poor sign, it's blank. I would just give him a 0. Let's see if anybody on Skype might be. I don't think anybody is. Maybe you. I don't think anybody's on right now. That's fine. If it didn't work, I'll end up putting that down in the description saying, you know, we had such and such a problem, and this is, whoa, acid, and I died. Just like this. That's how you lose a game of Skyblock. I even typed /fly, and it just wouldn't let me fly. That's really sad. Okay. If I do find a problem with it, it didn't work for some reason, I will let you guys know in the description. I might even have to edit the description later on. But this has been a lot of fun. I hope somebody learned something off of this, and maybe somebody was encouraged. You know, it doesn't have to take you all day to make a plugin, and it doesn't always. Maybe, you know, eventually you will get good enough at it that you can just go ahead and make a plugin just because, especially under the pressure of recording. I don't know if it causes pressure for everybody. For me, it causes some pressure. Ends up with me doing weird stuff like this, trying to get the distance from here to here the same as from here to here, which it really doesn't matter a bit since the sun's not going to be changing position, and I don't know. Anyway, so this is what I do when it's 11:41 at night and I have nothing better to do than make a plugin. So hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please like it, subscribe. If a friend would like to see this, perhaps you think they might find this entertaining, please link them to it. I'd like as many views on this as possible. Let's just see how much fun we can have with this. There's really no point in doing something if you're not going to have fun doing it, or if it's not going to lead to you being able to do something fun later on. So, I don't know. That's my opinion on things. You guys have a great day. You keep those comments coming. Please keep the plugins rolling out. We need more developers out there, more people who are capable of using Java for Minecraft servers. So many people, they just make plugins that are no good and then they don't want to keep them up. We need you guys to support the Bucket community. Bucket has been a great help to everybody, as well as Spigot. Spigot and Bucket both have been helping the world with their Minecraft plugin lists and all of their help that they've had there. It's because of them that we can make plugins in the first place. So You guys, if you come across a Bucket or a Spigot staff for any reason, make sure to give them your thanks for allowing us to make these wonderful servers as we have, like this skyblock here, and that cow named Daisy, golden letters. Daisy was the name of our first cow. That wouldn't even be possible without Bucket and Spigot. So we really appreciate them. I really appreciate you guys. You guys have a nice day. Keep those comments coming.